What's up guys, SophieSophss here to teach you how to turn some regular white Air Force Ones into a really cool neutral earth tone colorway. I've been seeing a lot of earth tone shoes around and I'm telling you guys, these are super trendy right now. So if you want some eye-catching customs, this would be a really cool project to make. First things first, always remove your laces before painting and set them aside for later. Laces removed, now it's time for the most important step, and that is prepping our surface with some good old Prepare and Deglazer. It's important that we remove the previous finish so we can lay down some new paint and increase its durability. Shoes prepped, now let's move on to the bread and butter of this custom, which is our earth tones. Not that bread and butter. We're gonna create 3 neutral colors that go from light to dark, so here's our lineup. Here's a big tip. It's always gonna be harder to make a color lighter than it is to make a color darker, so we're always gonna start with a white base first and darken it to our liking. This will also minimize how much white you use, because if you mess up and go too dark, you're gonna be pouring white in like a madman instead of mixing efficiently. And don't worry, let's rewind and reveal what's exactly in our magic mixtures. Our lightest color is a mixture of flat white and beige. Our darker color is a mix of flat white, beige, sand, and orange. Our darkest color is a mix of flat white, beige, sand, orange, and brown. I left them unmixed to show how much of each should go in your container. For some reason, they're kind of reminding me of eggs. Why do I keep talking about food in this video? Once fully mixed, you should get a light to dark combo that's ready to go. Before painting, if you have a shaky hand that looks like this, it'd be a good idea to use painter's tape around areas you don't want to overlap on. And to tape, we're just going to place the tape as close to the edge as possible and morph the rest of it to fit the edge as well. Let's start with our middle color first and paint the front and back panels. While painting, we're going to apply about 4 to 5 even coats with drying times in between. After multiple coats, you'll see the color really start to come together, and that's when you'll know to move on to the next. Don't forget to use some brush cleaner in between color changes as well. Alright, we got our front, back, and lace panels painted. The last thing we need is our lightest color on the swoosh. Okay guys, the last step is applying some Angelus matte finisher. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.